Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you would like to turn off your active status on your Instagram and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started with the video. So, what you may do for that is you can go to your profile of your Instagram, open up Instagram for that. And once you open up your Instagram, you can tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. After that, when you tap on it, this opens up. Now you can look out for the menu, usually located in the top right corner, the three horizontal lines. You can go ahead and select that option and access your settings and privacy, your activity. Now from here, you can scroll down and go to the section for your settings and activity. Here under how others can interact with you, you can go to the section right here. And once you go to the settings, you can look out for the option of your messages and your story replies. So find the messages settings and tap on it. And after you tap on it, you just need to go over and look out for the activity status option. So we can see this option called who can see that you're online. You can find that option right under it. So just go ahead and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you just need to turn it off. If this option is turned on like this on your screen, you just need to turn it off by tapping on the toggle option right on the top. And once you turn it off, that will turn off the active status on Instagram, and that will prevent you from seeing when others are active as well. So you can just go over and follow this process, and that is how you turn off your active status on Instagram. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.